Okay, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everyone, good morning, second grade. Welcome to Tuesday Remote Learning. Today should be a wonderful day. We got through our storms yesterday. I think we're going to have partly sunny skies today. So definitely make sure you are trying to get yourselves outside after you're done with all this work. All right, let's hop into the agenda and see what we need to do today. All right, found my video. Here's our link for our morning meeting at 9 o'clock a.m. Please be there. I'd love to see everybody. We might do something fun. Morning work is in the classwork tab. Let's go take a peek at it. So today for morning work, opening it up. All right, I've put in a worksheet of long A's. You need to complete each sentence with one of the words from the word bank at the top. And you can put your answers right over here on the right side with each number. It lines up to each sentence. So I'll quickly read through these sentences. Today, I received a letter in the blank. My favorite animals are blank. It was muddy after the blank. Blank! Watch out for the ball. James likes to draw and blank. Sam's pet bird blank a song in its cage. The superhero wears a blue blank. My blank is having a garage sale. We rehearsed all day for the blank. Last sentence. Tina's birthday is in blank. Words up here in the word bank are sang, May, as in that would be the month of May because it's capitalized. Paint, mail, whales, play, cape, hay, rain, and neighbor. And this hey right here is like, hey, how you doing? Or hey, watch out. Not the hay that we feed to animals. And our joke of the day, what has an eye but still can't see? And this is a special shout out to Mrs. Wilson. She came up with this one for today. So think about it and see what you can come up with. What has an eye but still can't see? Think hard on that one. Answers down below. Turn in when you're done. All right, next thing on our agenda is ELA. We're going to be doing more with contractions today. I've posted my YouTube video on contractions again if you need to watch it. After you're done, if you're watching it, go on to the Google Slide assignment, and there are 2 pages to this one, and I'm going to show you how to do this one. So you're drawing a line from the contraction to the words that make up that contraction. So the 2 words that make that contraction. So he's, the 2 words that make that up are he has. What you're going to do is actually click on this arrow, click it once. You'll see 2 dots appear. And if you click on one of the dots, click on the dot that's at the arrow point, click it and hold it, and then you can drag it to that one, which is kind of cool. And then once you are done, you can click on another arrow and continue on. You've, you have, click and drag it. Play around with it. Again, if you lose one of these arrows for some reason, the magic undo button is right there for you. And to turn this one in, a lot of you are getting better at this. You go back in here to reading ELA, click view assignment, and then the turn in button is right there. And we'll have a student turned it in today. This will be his first assignment that he's turned in all week. Once you are done, you're going to read for 30 to 40 minutes. You can go on Raz Kids if you're out of books to read and read from there. Lastly, you're going on to Lexia or IXL Language Arts for 20 minutes. And IXL Language Arts, if you're in there, contractions are XX. Should be all the way at the bottom. And I've starred them for you to work on. All right. Continuing on. After reading ELA, you're going to continue on your opinion writing. So, remember, you can write an opinion about recess, like the one that I've posted here, or you can write an opinion about something else. As long as you have an opinion, 3 reasons, and a nice concluding sentence, it'll be a fantastic opinion. So, you can write about the recess, or you can write about your own. But remember, do not turn this in until Friday. Because if you finish one opinion piece, I'd like you to move on and do a second one. Okay? And definitely add as much as you can to those so that they're nice, strong second grade writing pieces. Okay? You're going to do this for 20 minutes today. Like every day, we do 20 minutes of writing. After that, your special today is art. And she has provided some directions here in this link. So go ahead, we'll click on that and take a peek. Little houses. Be an architect. Design a dwelling. What can you find outdoors to make into a little house? What about indoors? Whatever you begin with, add a door, a roof, and windows, and you'll have a little house. Use what you have or find. Think about who could live in your little house. Looks like Mrs. Davis has posted some examples of how she's made little houses. This is a good one. Find a small box. Use paper scraps to add the details. All right. So if you head back in, I've put in a Google Doc right here so you can upload a picture of your little houses that you've made so that myself and Mrs. Goodwin and other teachers can see your awesome art. So, and I've actually assigned this and it's due by Friday. So if you don't get to it today, that's all right. Make sure you try to get to it a different day. Okay. I'm going to make sure that all of our specials are due by Friday. All right. Math. Something new today is elapsed time. So that's how much time has passed from your beginning time to your end time. I have a mini lesson right here on YouTube. Go ahead, give it a watch. I offer up some good strategies using your little Judy clocks at home. When you're done with that, go into the Google Doc, and this goes along with your Math Book 2B, page 156, questions 7 through 14. So it looks just like this. So you'll have to open up your book to page 156, and then you'll see questions 7 through 14 on here. So use this, do your work, and put your answers here in the Google Doc. Okay? When you're done, click the Turn In button. And in here, these 7 through 12, they want a time. So I've actually put the 2 dots in for you. So you just have to click on either side of the dots to put your hours, then your minutes, hours, minutes. Okay? Turn In button when you're done. All right. To wrap up our day, one of our last days, I'd like you to work on a letter to service workers. So go ahead and I'll read the directions one more time. This week for science, since the weather might not cooperate, it's actually cooperating today, not yesterday, I would like our students to focus their energy on positivity and gratitude. First is a letter to service workers. Feel free to send it to a specific person you know, or just a letter to all service workers. Second assignment will be posted on Wednesday and is focused on peace, which is it's a cool one. I can't wait. So for this, your letter can be addressed to, say, all doctors or all nurses, all firefighters. Just a big thank you letter for everything that they do, especially during these times. So feel free to do that. It's up to you if you want to send it. You'll have to ask a parent at home if that's okay. But I definitely want to see your work, and please put it in the Google Doc right here, or have someone take a picture of it and send it to my email. All right, I've got a whole bunch of small groups today. So please make sure you are showing up to your Zoom group, and make sure you're coming to our morning meeting at 9 o'clock. All right, second grade, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in just a little bit.